Are you ready?
Good day, User Dev MPB for your another track review. In this video, we'll do a full guide on the fourth leg of the Dartmoor Gravity Enduro Series, which will be held here in Sual, Pangasinan. Race day is on June 9, Sunday. Race registration link on the video description. And of course, we will also do full runs for each special stage. And stay tuned because our race organizer will give us important information and tips that everybody needs to know before the race. And guys, please don't forget, you can always watch us on YouTube for your online track read, and you can always watch it in 4K. Alright, enough talking, let's hop on our bike and see you on the trail. Magkadikit lang ang starting ng SS1 at SS3. Hip jump ang sasalubong sa inyo dito sa starting. Magandang warm up itong SS1. Big siya ng mga steep at pedaling part, meron din siyang mga mini jumps along the way. Pero safe lahat yan. Tentative finish line natin is near the fire road dyan sa parking. Alright, enjoy the run. Hoy! Dulas ako dyan! Uy, may surprise dito ah. Steep. Okay, let's try SS2 or also known as Hell. It's called Hell for a reason and you probably know that already. Let's be honest guys, ito ang pinaka-makunat na ahon so far dito sa Dartmoor series. But before we complain, let's just take it as a challenge instead. Who knows, dito pala kayo makakabawi. So good vibes lang tayo guys. Paghandaan natin ang mga ahon at pedaling part so when you get here, sanay na ang mga legs nyo. In my opinion, mas madali pa nga mag-training ng mga pedaling part kaysa sa mga downhill technical features. Again, let's just take it as a challenge and let's have fun doing it.
Nice.
Una ako ah. Di ko kinaya itong part na ito. Maybe dahil wala pa akong tulog from night shift or just probably excuse ko lang yon dahil kulang lang talaga sa ensayo. But in my honest opinion, kayang-kaya nyo ito. With the right mindset and training, masasanay din tayo. At least after watching this video, prepared ka na and nakapag-ensayo ka na before getting here. After ng steep climb, high speed section ang last part ng SS2. Last stage na tayo, SS3 aka Heaven Trail. This is probably everyone's favorite special stage. Nandito rin ang iconic feature ng Sual, which is the runway. Section natin yung runway after ng full run. Flowy itong SS3 at wala masyadong mga technical part. Watch out lang sa mga slippery na off-camber. Alright, enjoy the run. Alright, section natin ang runway jump. 20 feet ang distance ng gap and 7 feet naman ang height ng platform. But before anything else, let's acknowledge the mastermind. Walang iba kundi si Sir Edrosolan Brian Pagpaco ng Wild West Enduro. And of course, shout out na din sa Wild West Enduro team ng Pangasinan. Sila ang nag-effort dito. Perfect ang pagkakagawa ng jump. Natural ang buwelo, no pedaling on your part, and most importantly, more than twice wide ang receiver compared sa takeoff platform. Tip ko lang sa mga newbie na gusto mag-try. Number 1, safety tayo. Wear proper gears to avoid any injury, especially kapag hindi kayo comfortable sa mga long jumps. Number 2, stay in neutral position. You don't have to pull the bars, baka ma-off balance lang kayo pag landing. Remain in neutral position and look ahead. Kapag malapit na kayo sa edge ng takeoff, sa receiver na ang tingin nyo, huwag nyo na tingnan ang gap and never lean back sa takeoff. And lastly and most importantly, just relax and enjoy the jump. Guys, relax lang. You don't want your body to be stiff. So breathe in and breathe out bago mag-jump. Alright, congratulations! After mo magawa ang jump, celebrate and double check kung na-record ba ng maayos ng mga tropa nyo. And make sure na nakasubscribe kayo kay UserDevMTV para sa mga biking tips at full guide ng mga races sa Pilipinas. Alright! Pin location natin for the parking is Makaykayawan, Barangay Hall. Guys, take note of the spelling sa Google Maps. When you get there, magtanong lang kayo for the parking. We have designated parking spaces. Just make sure not to double park dahil masikip ang kalsada sa ibang park. You can also park near the trailhead. Just go straight ahead sa Barangay Hall. Pin location in the video description. Travel time is around 3 hours from NLEX Balintawak. You can take Luisita Tarlac exit at Esitex or exit at Ramos, Paniki at T-Plex. In our experience, faster route ang Ramos but more expensive because of the toll. Alright, dito tayo ngayon sa Sual, Pangasinan, 4th leg ng Dartmoor Gravity Enduro Series. And ngayon kasama natin ang ating race organizer, si Sir Chris Picardal, and of course ang ating architect trail master, Albert Carillo.
Welcome sa Dartmoor Series Leg 4. Registration fee natin for the age category is 1,300 and for the executive will be 2,300 pesos. And then for the executive, they will be treated very well. So magkakaroon sila ng event shirt na long sleeves, full combination, including yung tracker hat. Meron tayong mga porters na available. So that's 100 pesos. Doon sa tindahan, may designated parking area doon. And then also sa Barangay Hall, meron din mga designated parking areas. Sa parking fee, yung mga private areas, especially syempre yung mga gusto ring mag-stay, may mga lodge na i-assign ng barangay captain. Pero the list will be 50 pesos
lang. So ano, pwede pa sila mag-camp doon? Pwede mag-hamak? Gusto lang hamak doon sa area na yun? Just in case?
Pwede. Pati dito, actually pwede silang
dito?
Oo, pwede silang mag-camp dito.
Doon sa mga gustong mag-overnight, yung may mga kasamang family, can you mention some resorts na malapit na okay din?
Meron tayo dito sa Masamiray, located siya sa Baybay Norte, around 8 to 10 kilometers. Meron din dito lang sa malapit sa bayan, sa Barangay Bakiwen, sa Cartel Resort. Beach na siya mismo, doon sa resort na yan, meron din siya mga pools. Pwede sa family, pwede sa mga bata, pwede rin silang mag-island hopping. May masasakyan silang mga bangka dyan para mapunta nila yung Cabaretian Island.
Regarding naman sa food ng ating mga riders, after nila mag-ride syempre pagod, saan sila pwedeng kumain in the area?
Doon sa WWE store, yung tindahan na yun, they will be preparing meals para sa mga riders. And of course, yung mga nearby na mga tindahan din, tabihan na rin sila and they will be preparing meals.
Sir Albert, pwede ba mag-half face yung mga riders dito sa track na to?
Actually, pwede yung half face. Siguro sa runway, bias na namin na mag full face.
Alright, that's it for our race organizers. Thank you very much mga sir sa pag-accommodate sa amin dito sa napakaganda nyong trail. Sana maging permanent na itong trail na ito kasi napakaganda, worth it na puntahan kahit malayo. Thank you mga sir, idol.
Thank you.
Salamat. Alright, enough talking. Let's hop on our bike and see you on the trail.